Guys, I found the cursed item!
Nice. What is it?
Monkey Paw!
Oh, sweet! I haven't had that one yet. Yeah, neither have I.
Ugh, this thing's gross. And it's moving. So what do I do with it?
Well, duh! Make a wish!
A wish?
Yeah, but keep in mind, every wish that you make comes with a caveat. Don't worry about that. Make a wish!
Okay. I wish for a huge penis.
Well, did it work? What? What? I'm curious. Yeah, I bet you are. And what's that supposed to mean?
Guys?
You're the one wanting to know about his dick. Yeah, because he made a wish about it.
Guys?
Right.
Guys!
What? Did the wish come true?
In a way.
What do you mean? You got a big dick or what? Dude.
Well, yeah.
Really? Nice. Dude. What?
But,
Here we go.
you know how you said the wishes come with caveats?
Yeah? What, does it look weird or something?
That's not really the problem.
Okay, then what is the problem?
Well, I wished for a big dick, and I got one. But
what? Doesn't look like a boomerang, does it? Dude!
it's not attached to me.
What's it attached to?
The ghost.
Hey. Dude, please tell me you have a smudge stick on you. You have a smudge stick on you, right? Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. And click thanks and join if you want to support the channel. And I'll see you soon. Bye.